Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a TikTok tutorial on how to generate a Spark code. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And then the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is when you're on your main page and you see any video that you want, just go ahead and click on the share button. Then as you see, there's a bunch of different stuff that you can do here, but you want to scroll down on the bottom until you see ad settings, which if the video doesn't have ad settings, then you won't be able to click on that. So like, as you see, you don't see any ad settings, but I believe I have it enabled on my account. So let me go ahead and see. Okay. Yeah. So if you see ad settings, you go ahead and click on that. And then from here, if you're able to generate a Spark code, you'll see that it says generate Spark code right here, and then it'll give you something to copy. Now, I don't have the Spark code stuff enabled because I don't have an ad on this video or on any of my videos, but this is where you're going to go ahead and generate the Spark code. It should just be in between these two settings right here. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. Other than that, it's been a TikTok tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.